tucked up. I had to shake the nonsense like a spray can. Spray paint a new life for me in the day, man. I'm reborn after every shroom trip. That's how I get away like a witch on a broomstick. Label me a lunatic, I'm an artist. I'm already immune to it, cause all the time I consume bullshit. Cause people wanna assume and shit. Niggas give a chance for change but don't wanna go through with it. I'm through with it, never make the same mistake. Just learn from that shit and escalate, nigga. Don't think I'm being fake, I just changed my ways. For the better, for the better, yeah. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now. I'm loving the way you're looking at me now.
Check. Your girl is salty cause I'm well endowed and with the biz. It's like a fire hose is blasting when I take a whiz. I take your whiz and cut it quick, the blade is town and hope. A ball of coke, a fifth of Grandma, yeah, that's all she wrote. You just a novelty, some shit for me to show the skill. It's like the mouse inside the tank, the snake was forced to kill. I'm trapped famous, cook really with the black stainless. And rolling brainless with a pound worth of trip to the Caymans. You niggas comics and I'm all crumb. Leaning with the fresh 16 seal tap, triple stack beam, tucked in the seams. Yeah, bet I put my life on it. Chick thick as shit, French tippy with the black bonnet. Hit the beach to grab a tee and play the hoop for trees. Slide the SLS for Crees just to blow some trees. I'm fornicating with the game and got the pinky ring. I drop the quarter in the slot, it's just to pick your brain.